Hello everyone, today I am going to show you Apple Watch Series 8 smartwatch video. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. The Apple smartwatch is a good productivity smartwatch. Let's check out what the new Series 8 smartwatch has Design. Series 8, like its predecessors, are available in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm. On the test, a watch with an enlarged display. And contrary to popular belief, they are suitable not only for men, but also for women. Subjectively, it is worth choosing based on the preferences of a particular person. Although the 41mm version was clearly created with an eye to a female audience. Colors and materials. The Apple Watch Series 8 comes in aluminum and stainless steel. The aluminum Apple Watch models are the most affordable, while the stainless steel models are pricier. Aluminum colors include Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and Product Red. Stainless steel colors include Gold, Graphite, and Space Black. The aluminum Apple Watch models are made from 100% recycled 7000 series aluminum, are lightweight, inexpensive, and designed for an active lifestyle. Protect the display. The aluminum Apple Watch models feature Ion-X glass to protect the display, while the stainless steel and titanium models use sapphire crystal glass. Sapphire crystal glass offers better scratch resistance than Ion-X glass because it is a harder material, which means the models with sapphire crystal models are more resistant to scratching in everyday wear. Always on display. The watch uses an OLED ultra-low power temperature polysilicon and oxide display to enable always-on functionality, which allows the watch face, complications, and other information to be continually visible. Blood oxygen monitoring. Sensors on the back of the Apple Watch enable the blood oxygen monitoring feature available in the Apple Watch Series 8. Green, red, and infrared LEDs shine light onto the blood vessels in the wrist, with photodiodes measuring the amount of light reflected back. Blood oxygen saturation in a healthy individual is around 95 to 100%, and when the percentage of oxygen in the blood drops below that, it can be indicative of a serious health issue that needs immediate attention. Take an ECGs at any time. An ECG measures the electrical activity of the heart and can be used to diagnose health conditions by a doctor. ECGs are captured by holding a finger on the digital crown of the Apple Watch and can detect a sinus rhythm, an abnormal result, or, sometimes, an inconclusive result that should be shared with a doctor. The ECG is able to detect atrial fibrillation at heart rates above 100 beats per minute. Sleep tracking. The Apple Watch Series 8 models can be worn at night to keep track of your sleep. It monitors when you're awake and when you're asleep, letting you know how much time you spent in the REM, core, and deep sleep stages. Sleep tracking also lets you know how often you've woken up in the night and for how long. Crash detection. The new accelerometer can detect up to 256 grams of force, which would indicate a severe crash. Updated motion sensors and an advanced sensor fusion algorithm allow the Apple Watch Series 8 to detect a severe car crash and alert emergency services. After a crash is detected, the Apple Watch checks in with the user and then dial emergency services after a 10-second period with no response. It also alerts emergency contacts. Temperature measurements. Temperature sensing also enables improved period predictions for users who menstruate. One of the most important features of the Apple Watch Series 8 is the new body temperature sensor, enabling further insights into women's health, according to Apple. The two-sensor design reduces bias from the outside environment and the body itself. With the new capabilities, users can receive retrospective ovulation estimates. Battery life. You've got extra time on your hands. Get 18 hours of all-day battery life and up to 36 hours with low-power mode. Great for occasions when you're away from your charger, like a long flight. Connectivity. With GPS, the Apple Watch is able to keep tabs on speed, distance, and route when you're walking, running, hiking, or biking, providing more insight into your fitness activities. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS systems are supported for positioning technology across multiple countries. 50 meters waterproof. Apple Watch is rated water-resistant 50 meters, perfect for swimming, surfing, or water balloon fights. For example, you can wear and use your Apple Watch during activities such as exercise. Exposure to sweat is okay, walking in rain, and washing your hands.